The beautiful lobby sa Dusit Thani Hotel. Pag dili gani peak season, you will truly avail and enjoy privacy. Such a lovely place for rest and relaxation, as well as recreation. One of the very alluring resort in Cebu, in the province of Cebu, located in Mactan Island, is the Dusit Thani Hotel. The infinity pool is so divine. And of course, they open here at 8 o'clock in the morning, where you can dine. And this is a must visit, especially for those who want to swim with privacy and the captivating view through the infinity pool. Makita na ninyo ang isla sa Ulango. There. This is the Dusit Thani Hotel. Mas lalong pinalawak, pinahaba ang beachfront ng Dusit Thani Hotel. What that? That is a very clear water, no? Calm, clear water. That's so lovely sa araw na to. Wow. Ganda. Summer destination dito sa Mactan Island, ang Dusit Thani Resort in Mactan. Yan may airplane pa taking off, flying over the very clear sky. What a lovely day it is today. We are on the remaining 6 months of 2024. This has been a good year for me, hopefully to all of you as well. Basta maging mabuti ka lang sa kapwa. Be good, so that the good luck also will knock on you. Maging mabuti sa kapwa. Be kind. Be inspiring, be motivating, para the remaining 6 months of 2024 will be good to you. Naanag yun ta sa isla ng Ulango. It's very visible from here sa Dusit Thani. Makita na yun nato. It's a very calm. See, the sky is very clear. So roy gud mo diri sa Dusit Thani. It's a lovely day today. We are here right now sa Trade Winds Cafe. Senior citizen, we have a good news here. Less 20% with discount na. Morning. These are the arrays of food. Choices. This is for the breakfast nila, ha? Look at that one. Daghang mapilian. Lovely. Sa trade winds to, ha. For us senior citizen, we really don't have to worry. Okay, it's 1,020 pero discounted pa yan 20%. Have so many choices. Good morning. Mayong buntag.
Morning, sir.
It's on a weekday today, so dili kay crowded. You need to have an empty stomach to fill up. Kay daghan kaayong choices. Daghan kaayo inyong mapilian na pagkaon. Ha? How about that? Here's a trade week. Come, visit and dine here. You want a more comfortable travel from Opon Lapu-Lapu City to Cebu City, which is right there. Take Metro Ferry. Mas dali ra kaayo. You will be avoiding horrendous traffic. In a matter of 20 minutes, abot na mo sa Cebu City. This is a Metro Ferry bound for Cebu City coming from Opon Lapu-Lapu City. Minus the traffic, it would be easier, more comfortable, especially in a good weather like this one. I am bound for Cebu within 20 minutes. Hola! I am back in my city. Okay? Yun na. Calm weather. Beautiful weather today. We are bound for Cebu City on a calm day. So katong gusto mo aning Cebu, ha? And if you want to visit or pray sa Birhen sa Simala Shrine, you rather take a Metro Ferry than commute or bring a car, because we are trying to avoid the horrendous traffic. Mag-Metro Ferry na mo. As we are experiencing traffic congestion now in a metropolitan city like Cebu City, also in Lapu-Lapu, say likewise, traffic na sa dito. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe to my Mamita La Cuatsera YouTube channel. Have a blessed day.